We're back with another knife review. Today we're going to do the Sig Sauer, which is designed by Hogue, X-1 Microflip. This is a manual flipper that has a button lock. We like those. Comes with this neat little Sig pouch. We like that also. Let's go ahead and tell you about the Microflip. This knife is 6.625 inch overall. The blade length is 2.625 inch. It is CPM 154 steel with a Wharncliffe style blade and a hollow grind with a black finish. Handle length of this knife is 4 inches, so you can pretty much get all your 4 fingers on there. It's lightweight at 2.93 ounces. Blade width is about 0.875. Thickness is pretty standard at about 1/8 of an inch. Handle material is G10 with the Sig logo. Has a lock on it. The handle width is 1.125. It has a reversible tip-up pocket clip with the Hogue name and logo on it. Very nice little knife. This knife comes in at about $144. It has a spacer in the back. This is considered a plunge lock instead of a button lock, which is very similar. It is a manual flipper and a good little everyday carry knife. So it's the X-1 Microflip with the Sig Sauer logo. Let's go ahead and show you how this knife will perform. Since it is 154, it's going to cut quickly, easily, oops, lost hold of it, smoothly, and of course every other league there is, accurately. That's all I can think of. Little fraying right here. Bring it in a pullback cut, and absolutely no fraying. Where this knife is going to excel is in the smaller jobs. It's going to be awesome at precision cutting, because that's what this knife is designed for. As you can tell, you don't have to hardly give it any pressure. It cuts right through. When it comes to a piercing cut, it's going to be accurate and sharp. You can pretty much cut as thin or as thick as you want. Whoops, that's more tearing than cutting. And then of course, a little jimping on top and in the body of the knife is going to make it so that you can cut down the cardboard quickly and easily. This would be a nice little backup knife, or someone doesn't want a large knife. You know, this would be a nice everyday carry. It doesn't overpower when looking at it, so it's going to be a nice little blade. Last a lifetime. So once again, this is the Sig Sauer X-1 Microflip designed by Hogue. Obviously we know what that means. And CPM 145 steel. For those of you who are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show where we give away knives each week and tons of knife reviews. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We post a ton of knife content as well as do weekly giveaways there. And our daily poll, we also do that. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.